Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, October 27, 2021. It is 6:29 and 3 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, type 2 diabetes. So let's hop to it here. Increased consumption of whole grains could significantly reduce the economic impact of type 2 diabetes. Date October 25, 2021. Source University of Eastern Finland. The research study shows that already one serving of full grains as part of the daily diet reduces incidence of type 2 diabetes at the population level, and consequently the direct diabetes-related cost when compared to people who do not eat whole grain foods on a daily basis. Over the next 10 years, society's potential to achieve cost savings would be from 300 million, minus 3.3%, to almost 1 billion, minus 12.2% euros in current value, depending on the presumed proportion of whole grain foods in a daily diet. On the level of individuals, this means more healthier years. Type 2 diabetes is one of the fastest growing chronic diseases, both in Finland and globally. Healthy nutrition that supports weight management is key to preventing type 2 diabetes. The association of daily consumption of whole grain foods with a lower risk of diabetes has been demonstrated in numerous studies. According to nutrition recommendations, at least 3 to 6 servings of whole grain foods should be eaten daily, depending on an individual's energy requirement. 1/3 of Finns do not even eat 1 dose of whole grains on a daily basis, and 2/3 have a too low fiber intake. By combining population-level data on the incidence of type 2 diabetes and the cost of its treatment, as well as published evidence on the effects of how consumption of whole grain foods reduces the incidence of type 2 diabetes, researchers were able to assess the potential health and economic benefits from both social and individual viewpoints. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.